Hi guys, I just want to share with you with what happened to my lovely Furious after it fell down from about 100 meters. So, first things first, I have a broken antenna, mushroom antenna. A broken GPS cover. Go to the front. It took such a fall, such a hit. Have broken front leads. A broken leg. No leg. Para gun. A broken battery cover. It's not focusing. Okay. The tilt is not moving. And I hope the camera is still working. So I'm going to check about the technical issues, if there is any electrical wiring needed, or if it's going to work. Let's check out later. Okay, let me try to power it up. Plug in the battery. The lights are still working. I have FPV. This is very nice. The camera is working. The lights are working. Let me see if it's going to bind. I hear servo are trying to work. Nothing. Let me unlock it. Nice. The motors are still moving, but the servos are dead. Okay, let me see what's wrong. I'll come back later. Okay, I just want to show you after I pulled out the top covers. This is the inside. Don't know where all this dirt came from. I hope nothing broken in the servos. The thing is, this is the GPS. This is supposed to be soldered down. I hope none of the electronics are broken. Okay. And this is how it looks without all the beauty accessories. Okay, now I removed the ESCs. They come with 3 screws. See here, this is one. With the tool that it came with. And there's one here. I just removed this one here. Just remove that, put it on the safe side, and pull out and down, and it goes out. Then just unplug these wires. They are colored and tagged and labeled: red, blue, and black. Just unplug them and you are done. Okay, I just removed all the screws from this side, 18 screws in total. There are some more to hold these antennas, and just lift the body up. Like that. Voila. Be careful for the antennas. This is how it looks from the inside. This is what I'm trying to reach. Trying to reach the servos out back here to see what's the problem, because they are not moving, as you can see. And to clean it, just to show you how it looks like without the side carbon fiber. The LED indicator from the back. And what I recognized is that I have a broken servo. See, the servo is broken, and all its inner parts are showing, the gears. So I'm in a big mess. Okay, and this is the problem. I have a broken servo. It's totally broken. WK2602S walkera digital servo. So I need to replace this servo to make it running. I hope that's all. Okay, after removing the side panels, I had to get down to the servos to clean it more. So to remove the stop panel, the controlling panel, you have to remove the transmitter of the 5.8 giga, the video transmitter. Then there's a screw here. Sorry, this one's here. You have to remove this screw here and around it some 5 screws, then just pull it up, and voila, this is the main controller. And this is the mechanism that makes it tilt forward and backwards. It has some tension to go back. Okay, let's hope for the best.